Yeah, hello guys. This is Chief AOC, the Chief of Financial Market. All right. I just want to tell you guys the way I traded this morning. I traded pounds USD this morning with the same strategy I have, which I'll be sharing with you guys, which is the BRFC, the break, retest, confirm with your Fibonacci retracement and your candlestick pattern for your entry. It's very simple and straightforward. And I'm going to show you the way I traded pounds this morning. Okay, pounds was at this level this morning. Okay, so what I waited for was what? There's a break. The first thing on my strategy is the break. There must be a break and there must be a what? A break of structure. Both of them must be in place, okay? And the break must be related to a strong resistance of about 2 to 3 tests, okay? So if you see, the first test was here, the second test was here, and there's a break here, okay? And also it's confirmed with the break of structure. All right, now that there's a break of structure, what I'm waiting for is what is a retest of this zone. Okay, so what I do was to add an alert here, add my alert at this point. Okay, as soon as I add an alert at this point, I don't need to be with my with the system or looking at the market. What I need to do is just wait for the price to retest this level, and I receive an alert on my phone using the trading view alert system. And as soon as I receive alert on my phone that it has touched my line, I go into my charts, analyze the market, and I take my order immediately with a confirmation of the candlestick. Okay, so let's see what plays out, and I'll show you guys the way I trade this morning. Already there's a break of structure, and also there's a break of resistance level, a strong resistance level. Okay, so what I need left is just a retest Fibonacci and what, and the candlestick pattern. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Okay, so the trade was coming down here and it hit my target at this point. If you can see it, hit my target at this point. I received an alert that it has come to retest, and what I did is what, take Fibonacci here and I do a swing low to what, to swing high. And what I'm looking for is that the retest must be in line with my 50 to 61.8 golden zone of Fibonacci, which it was there exactly. Okay, so I took my trade here, my buy here, and my stop loss is just below the 61.8% level. Okay, and my take profit is at this point. Okay, so I took my long position here at this level here, around here, and it's the risk to reward ratio is very little, very good. It's about 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, and it was at this point, this same point. I put it at 90, exactly 3190 was my take profit. Okay, it didn't get to 3200, so it gives me about risk to reward ratio of about 1.3 risk to reward ratio, and then the market eats what? It take profit. Okay, so the strategy is very simple: break, retest, confirm with your Fibonacci zone to make sure it's between 50 and 61.8. Sometimes it will be a touch of 50.00, and sometimes it will be a touch of what, 61.80. But make sure your order is taking place in between this zone, okay, or at these levels. All right, and once it takes place, you take your risk to reward ratio to 1:3, at least 1:2, and you get your take profit. It's as simple as that. Okay, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's see how tomorrow trade plays out. Okay, peace, take care, bye.